Having a lazy one today. I'm just tired. Yeah, as you can see, I've been completely sunburnt. So I'm just going to be doing a review from the hotel this time. It's going to be Lotteria. It's a Japanese fast food chain that we don't currently have in Australia. You know, I've been eating a lot of Vietnamese food for the past, how long have I been here now? A week? Sometimes you just need a little taste of, well, I wouldn't even call it home because we don't have these back in Australia, but a little bit of taste of Western food. Have a look at that. That is a monstrous, huge piece of fried chicken there. We've got also, this is called the beef Bulgogi burger. You can see that, you know, this is my hand for reference. The burgers are quite small, but you know, I guess coming from a Western country, we're probably used to having a bit bigger. We've got the chicken burger with very cute small pieces of tomato in there. And here's our fries. So it all looks pretty good. Let's give it a try. Alright, first up, I'm gonna go for this huge piece of fried chicken. Oh my god, how am I even gonna pick this thing up? It is beefy. Alright, here goes. That's really good. Not too oily on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. It's not overly salty as well. You know, a lot of fried chicken places, you take one bite and you need to down 2 liters of water. This is good, this is good. Seasoning sort of light. Definitely not too strong of a flavor, but definitely recommend. I think a lot of fast food places, burgers in particular, burger shops in Asia are going to have fried chicken as an option. It's just, you know, it's what the people want. Next up, let's try this beef Bulgogi burger. I'll be honest with you, I don't have high expectations for this one. So here we go. No. My chips, my fries just fell everywhere. Look great. This one here, the meat tastes like it's not very good quality. It's just bland. I get a slight tinge of, I don't even know if I'd call that Bulgogi. It's just bad. 2 out of 10. I'm probably not going to finish that one, let's be honest. And here's the chicken. I've got high hopes for this one because it looks like it's just another piece of that fried chicken but in a burger. Let's go. Yep, that's it. That's the one. If you're going to order from Lotteria, go for the chicken, avoid the beef. Super crunchy, light taste but not bland. A little bit of a sweet sauce that they put on there. Yeah, mixed with a little bit of mayonnaise on the top. It's not too much, you know. A lot of places are going to have way too much mayonnaise and just completely ruin it. But not here. And then last, but certainly not least, the fries. They're fries. You know, it's hard to mess up potatoes, really. So the verdict is in. Not very good. Probably give Lotteria maybe a 2 out of 10 overall. Portion sizes were pretty small considering what I am used to, and the quality is just terrible. So if you're here in Vietnam or anywhere that has Lotteria, give them a miss. Not worth it. Actually, I take it back because I completely forgot. In my disappointment for the burgers. I completely forgot, actually, the chicken was really good. I give the chicken probably like a solid 7. So if you're gonna go there, only get the fried chicken. Maybe the chicken burger, but still, the chicken on its own is probably the way to do it. Let's bump that up. Lotteria, 3 out of 10. I'm back again. Like, I tried to eat some more of that. It's really bad. It's really bad. I'm going back down to a 2 out of 10 because, I mean, if I was deserted on this island and starving to death, oh, that would be just, I'd be all over that. But would not eat again by choice. People warned me, I didn't listen. Listen, definitely. Do not eat at Lotteria. I just hope that it doesn't make me sick. Okay, I'm actually done this time. See you next time.